In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change to light mode in ChatGPT. If you prefer a brighter interface for working in well-lit spaces or you just find light backgrounds easier on the eyes, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly where to make the switch. We'll move at a comfortable pace and keep everything clear and simple. Start by looking to the bottom left corner of your ChatGPT window. You'll see your profile icon there. It might appear as a small circle with your avatar or your initials. Go ahead and click that profile icon to open a short menu. From that menu, choose Settings. This opens a settings panel where you can adjust how ChatGPT looks and behaves. Inside the settings panel, look for the General section. Depending on your screen size, it may be listed in a sidebar or near the top of the panel. Click General to bring up the options inside. Within General, find the area labeled Appearance. This is where your theme options live. You'll see a small drop-down arrow next to Appearance. Click that arrow to reveal the theme choices. From the list, select Light. As soon as you pick Light, the interface should update right away. Text, backgrounds, and panels will switch to a brighter style, making everything easier to read in bright environments. There's no separate Save button to worry about here. Your choice takes effect immediately. If the page looks different for a moment, that's normal as the theme applies across the interface. A quick note on what you're changing. Appearance controls your visual theme only. It doesn't affect your chats, your data, or how ChatGPT responds. It's simply about the look and feel. Choosing light can help with clarity when you're working near windows, under strong overhead lights, or when you want higher contrast on white backgrounds. If you navigate away from settings and continue your work, the light theme will remain active. ChatGPT typically remembers your preference, so the next time you open it on the same account and device, it should still be set to light. And remember, you can return to the same appearance dropdown anytime to switch back if your environment changes. That's all there is to it. Open your profile menu in the bottom left, select Settings, go to General, open the Appearance dropdown, and choose Light. Simple, fast, and immediately visible. Thanks for following along, and enjoy your new, brighter ChatGPT experience.